In this video, we're going to show you Lasfit Portable Air Inflator. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Nice compact design. Measures at 5.11 inches, 4.44 inches, and 2.2 inches thick. Weighs in at 1.43 pounds. Here we have your nice frosted LED screen, which is non-reflective, allowing you to see data clearly out in bright sunlight. Here we have your power button, which you would hold for 3 seconds to power on. Up top, we have your battery indicator. Here we have your actual pressure reading. Here we have your pressure units, which you can change by holding this button down. Right now we have PSI. Now we have BAR. KPA and KG. Up on top, we have your air vent. USB Type-A output, USB Type-C fast charging, 2 amps. This here is your DC hole, and here is your air hose connector. On the bottom, all 4 corners, you have more vents, and more vents down here for faster heat dissipation. Inside, you have a nice 26mm air cylinder, which has a 36 liter per minute airflow, up to 150 psi. Internal battery is lithium ion 7800 milliamps. Includes an 11.5 foot DC cigarette plug cord, in addition just in case your battery does run out. 2 amp fast charging cable, which can quickly charge in 3 hours. 2 27.6 inch air hoses with quick connects. 3 different air nozzles, and your user manual, along with a nice storage carry case. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. To connect the air hose, simply line up, twist, and tighten. So here we have a low tire. We're gonna go ahead and check the actual pressure reading. Turn the unit on, hold for 3 seconds. Get the actual reading. It's reading at 21.5 psi. I want to put this at 35 psi. We're going to change it from the ball mode to car mode. There we go. And change it to 35 psi. Once you got that, here's your actual reading. We're gonna go ahead and hit power. So here we have a deflated basketball. I went ahead and put in the needle. I'm gonna push that in. We're gonna turn on the unit, hold for 3 seconds. Perfect. We're gonna change the mode to the basketball. Perfect. There's the ball. We're gonna change it to 8 psi. And then turn it on. Stops at 8 psi. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.